Welcome to today's benchmark between Corsair Vengeance 6000, XPG Lancer 6000, Predator Hera 6400, and Predator Hera 7800. We can see here how Corsair is lagging really much behind the rest, and that the XPG Lancer is really putting the fight against the Predators. In fact, the Predators have nothing to offer above the XPG Lancer, while consuming much more voltage and having much less capacity, as they have only 48GB. And while this difference of 16GB is not very important for gaming, it is really helpful for production and daily use. It is interesting to note that both Predators are in fact the same kit that I reviewed in my previous video. They are in fact the Predator Hera 8400MHz, which as of 2nd of March of 2025 is still unable to run at 8400MHz in the MSI X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. We continue to see the same behavior all around in the shadow of the Tomb Raider. The Corsair lagging far behind the rest, and the XPG Lancer having the same exact FPS average than the Predators. The Predators just offer at some moments a better FPS 1% lows. But the stability is really important, and for just a couple of FPS in 1% lows, it's maybe not the best strategy to go with the Predators just for that, because we're taking 50 millivolts that otherwise the CPU could use for its boost capacities.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
Same thing here, the Corsair is lagging well behind the rest, and the XPG Lancer is in the same exact level than the Predators. In this location, the XPG Lancer also has the same 1% lows than the Predators.
I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile
Borderlands 3, we have the same story again. The Corsair Vengeance lagging 4 FPS behind the rest, and the XPG Lancer having the same FPS average and the 1% loss than the Predator's Hera. So as of March of 2025, we see how a good DDR5 dual rank kit like the XPG Lancer is offering the same performance than the 6400 and the 7800 MHz single rank kits with less voltage consumption, more stability and better overall behavior. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe if you have not already, since this really helps me. See you soon. Goodbye. George.